right, let's see what we got. Big box, small box. Let's do the small. Ooh, the small box is heavier than the big box. No. Close though. Is this an Amazon box? Oh, it is an Amazon box. Somebody's recycling their boxes. Good packaging, look at that. What do we got here? A VCR tape. You know that's old. 1996. This is just like that 1950 book, except this is a little bit newer version. So, modern electronics supervision. They come with a VCR tape on how to work on your bike. Once again, this is for light duty maintenance, not service. Somebody has been in there. Some package probably broken open, or it's probably broke up on its own because it's right on an edge where a sharp edge would be. So there you go, 1996. So this would be for all models. That's Sportster and Softails, Dynos. Road turds, they should all be in there. So once again, if you open this all up, it should have a nice good pictures of those bikes, side views of them. So there you go. Nice, like that. What else is in here? '87. This one's been opened. We do not call this NOS, even though it looks like it is NOS, because I don't think it's really been used. Got gold on there, that makes it more valuable. Okay, so let's see what they got in here. Is it better than the 1950 book? Or about the same? Okay, there's your full dress road turd for 97, wasn't it? Oh, it's 87. Oh, I was a whole 10 years off. Jeez. An 87. There's an 87 road turd. There you go. That's what they're supposed to look like. If you guys that like 87 road turds, that's some of the best, worst years bikes Harley made. So there you go. There's another one. Looks like the same road turd. Oh, this is an FLH. That's an FLT. Yeah, you tell the difference? The FLT has a frame-mounted fairing, so it does not rotate with the handlebars. That's a full dress road turd. Then you got the old style road turd, FLH. So it has a handlebar mounted windshield, otherwise known as a batwing windshield. So there you go. That's an FLH. I like the FLH a lot better than FLTs, but there's still piles of crap though. Oh, then they move into lower quality crap. FXRTs. Nobody cares about FXRTs, do they? What, no good bikes in there? No Softails or Sportsters? Jeez, what kind of crappy book is this? This says models. It's supposed to have all the stuff in there, not just road turds and FXRs. Ah, good. There we go. Real bike now. Fat Boy. Nope, excuse me. Not a Fat Boy. That's an FLST. The FLST has full fenders in the front like an FL. FXST, which is like a Sportster, would have a skimpy fender in the front. And a Fat Boy would have a solid disc rear wheel, a little stubby front fender, but big one. There's a Softail Custom. 21-inch wheel. Typical FXST. Probably the solid rear wheel in the back. That one's a solid rear wheel. Looks like it's hard to tell with all the crap on it. This one's definitely a spoke on this side. Probably a spoke underneath, can't see it. The Custom had the Fat Boy rear wheel in the back, so. That is another FXR there. With the 21. So that's an FXLR. As I recall. Yep, there it says right there, FXLR. See, I do know my models. Don't like them, but I mean I don't know them. There's an FXST. Why did they show that twice? Oh, that had the narrow. No, the other one's on there. Okay, why they got the same bike twice? It must be a different bike. What are they calling this one? Oh, this is the C Custom. Okay, so that's the C Custom, comes with a sissy bar. The FLST naked bike doesn't have the sissy bar on it. Looks like the same stupid bike other than that. Yeah, a little bit lower handlebar on this one. Yep. There you go. Fat Boy didn't come out until 90, so that won't be in here. There's an FXR plain Jane bike. So it's just an FX with it's an FXR with a Sportster front end on it. That's why it's an FX. So what's this, a Sport or something? Yeah, Sport, SE. So it's got the longer front end on it. See, it sticks a little bit higher up in the air, like a Sportster. There's a straight plain Jane version there. Different gas tanks. Dash on the tank on that one. Handlebar mounted stuff like a Sportster. Nope, nope, it's got the narrow one on there again. Nope, that still has the narrow dash on it. Just this one's black and this one's chrome. Oh well. I don't know all my FXR models. What, no Sportsters? That wasn't a Sportster, was it? No, it's not a Sportster. Stopping distance, they stop. Look at those brakes. 176 feet. What's that from, 50 or 60? That's called brakes suck. There, we moved into our Sportsters now. There you go. There's what a Sportster looks like for 87. Got a lot of pictures in there. Oh, there's the bike that saved Harley. $39.95. That's how much they cost. They sold millions of them. What's nice was when you're all done with the bike after a year, if you turned it back in within a year, they'd give you full credit toward a big bike. So you get your 4K back. You get to ride around on a bike for a year for free, basically. Pretty good deal for them. They sold a lot of bikes. They suckered you in and kept you going. Alright, then that's all the picture of the bikes. And this is maintenance stuff here. This is a lot more light duty maintenance stuff here than like in the old bike. The old bikes you had to work on them. These ones here you don't. You take them to your dealer and pay up the ass and have them do it. So all you got simple air cleaner stuff and wheel alignments and stuff like that. Adjust your chain, your belt, whatever. A little bit electrical in here, not too much. California emissions, oh my god, they got them, put them in here too. There's your maintenance stuff you're supposed to do. Yeah, sure. Who did that? Nobody does that crap. Here's all the stuff you're supposed to do. Yeah, who did that? Nobody. Alright, there's a nice book there. Then we got your AMA crap here. Harley likes AMA. This is from 78. Teach you how to ride your bike. Now this is a Harley deal, but see it's got a Honda on it. Because this is AMA, this ain't Harley. Even though it's got Harley written on here, it's got a damn Honda on the damn picture. Pretty sure Harley don't make a 4-cylinder bike, so. So this just teach you how to ride your bike. Appropriate riding gear, junk like that. Read this before you operate your motorcycle. Yeah, don't turn it ever or turn it on, you'll live forever. Here's your AMA, come join us. Yep, there's your membership crap. Join up and be a member. Save your ass. There you go. Once again, it's genuine HD stuff. It's got HD written on it. So they were putting all this stuff in all those old handbooks back in the 80s and 90s. They quit doing it later on a little bit, but they're still in there. I'd be surprised that 96 had some of the stuff in there too. So, more maintenance stuff on how to be safe on your motorcycle. Alright, there you go. Early and late handbooks.